Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the grammar part not only but also. Before that I request you to like, share and subscribe the channel not only but also. Not only but also the construction not only but also is called a correlative conjunction. It is used to present two related pieces of information. Both pieces of information are being presented by the writer as surprising or unexpected, with the second one being even more surprising than the first. The first piece of information, which we will call A, comes after not only, and the second piece of information B comes after but also, like this. Example, I like not only drama but also movie. ये जो नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो टाइप का ग्रामर पार्ट है, इसमें एक सेंटेंस में दो अलग अलग चीजें आती है या थिंग्स या क्वालिटीज आती है, तो उसे उन दो सेंटेंस का एक सेंटेंस कंबाइन करने के लिए हम नॉट ओनली यूज करते हैं। और इसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा फोकस सेकंड चीज पे दिया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया आई लाइक नॉट ओनली ड्रामा बट ऑल्सो मूवी। तो इसका मीनिंग क्या कैसे होगा जब नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो यूज करके, मुझे बस ड्रामा ही पसंद नहीं, मूवी भी पसंद है। मतलब इम्पसाइज जो ज्यादा है मूवी पे ज्यादा है, हालांकि दोनों भी मुझे पसंद है लेकिन ज्यादा कौन सी है, मूवी। लाइक दिस। हाउ टू यूज नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो? There are four ways to use not only but also in our own sentence. First one is find out the two different things, persons or qualities in both given or in a sentence. Before the first different thing, person, quality, use not only. After the use of first different word, use but also and write second different word, thing, person or quality. In such type of sentence, the most emphasis is given to second quality. इसका कैसे यूज करना है? सबसे पहले सेंटेंस में जो डिफरेंट दो चीजें या दो लोग या दो क्वालिटीज बताई है, शायद कभी कभी एक सेंटेंस में भी वो दो आ सकते हैं या दो सेपरेट सेंटेंस भी आ सकते हैं। सबसे पहले वो दो चीजें को डिफरेंट चीजें कौन से उसे फाइंड आउट करना है। वो फाइंड आउट करते वक्त जो पहली चीज है उसके पहले नॉट ओनली लिखेंगे, उसके बाद वो चीज लिखेंगे जो डिफरेंट है, उसके बाद बट आल्सो लिखेंगे और फिर दूसरी चीज लिखेंगे। और सबसे ज्यादा इम्पसाइज किस पे जाता है? सेकंड चीज पे। और सेंटेंस में जो सेम पार्ट है, सेम पार्ट एक ही बार आएगा। दोनों सेंटेंस में हो या एक सेंटेंस में, सेम पार्ट एक ही बार आएगा, बाकी सब रिमूव हो जाए। वही रिपीट एग्जांपल हम यहाँ पे लेंगे। एग्जांपल, I like drama, I like movie. Answer is there by you after using not only but also. I like not only drama but also movie. Explanation. In above sentence, drama and movie, these two are different things, so as per rule, same part of sentence use one time according to sentence. While answering this, not only is used before the first thing and but also is used before second thing. And we have to note there, both things are valuable but we give emphasis on second thing. ये जो सेंटेंस है इसमें ड्रामा एंड मूवी ये दोनों डिफरेंट चीजें हैं। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, जो सेम पार्ट है आई लाइक, ये दोनों सेंटेंस में सेम पार्ट है, तो उसके लिए वो एक ही बार लिया है। जब उसे कंबाइन करेंगे तब तो सेंटेंस बना आई लाइक नॉट ओनली ड्रामा। ड्रामा ये फर्स्ट डिफरेंट थिंग है और बट ऑल्सो सेकंड है। तो जब नॉट ओनली लिखा उसके बाद ड्रामा फिर बट ऑल्सो और उसके बाद मूवी, मतलब से सेकंड पार्ट। Marathi is a language, English is a language. Not only Marathi but also English is a language. Explanation. In above sentence, Marathi and English, these are different words, so not only is used before first different word and but also is used before second word. Language is a common thing in both sentences, so while combining use it only one time. इस सेंटेंस में मराठी एंड इंग्लिश दो अलग चीजें हैं, दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं, तो रूल अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल नॉट ओनली ये फर्स्ट डिफरेंट चीज के पहले लेंगे, मतलब मराठी के पहले, तो सेंटेंस बनेगा नॉट ओनली मराठी, और फिर उसके बाद बट आल्सो, और सेकंड सेंटेंस या सेकंड डिफरेंट चीज जो है वो है इंग्लिश, तो उसके बाद हमने बट आल्सो के बाद इंग्लिश लिया, एंड जो सेम पार्ट है सेंटेंस का वो एक ही बार आएगा, लाइक इज अ लैंग्वेज, तो आंसर हमारा बना है नॉट ओनली मराठी बट आल्सो इंग्लिश इज अ लैंग्वेज। एग्जाम्पल नंबर थर्ड, गेम्स मेक द चिल्ड्रन स्ट्रांग, they also make them brave. Answer is there, games make children not only strong but also brave. Explanation: in above sentence, strong and brave, these two different qualities are used. They, this pronoun is used for games and them is used for children. It means there are the same things of the sentence. These are same things. So as per rule, not only is used before the first different word or quality and but also is used before second word or quality. Same part of the sentence is used one time to combine the sentence. इस sentence में क्या है देखो, games make the children strong, they also make them brave. Strong and brave, these are two different qualities used in both sentences, and if you want to combine by using not only but also at that time, which are the common things we have to use that one time, and before the first different quality we have to use not only, and after that use but also, and after but also we have to find out which is the second quality in the sentence, and we have to mention it, and according to this rule the sentence become like this: games make children not only strong but also brave. जो गेम्स है, गेम्स बच्चों को बस स्ट्रांग ही नहीं बनाते, ब्रेव ही बनाते हैं. Fourth example, Sonam has done well in English as well as in mathematics. Answer, Sonam has done well not only in English but also in mathematics. Explanation is there. In above sentence, English and mathematics, these are different things, so as per rule, not only is used before first thing and but also is used before second thing. We have to note down here when there are some conjunctions used there, while using not only but also we have to remove that, because instead of them we are using not only and but also. That's why in this sentence as well as this conjunction is avoided or removed from the sentence. We have to know that, we have keep in mind that. तो ये sentence कैसे है देखो, Sonam has done well in English as well as in mathematics. सोनम ने बस इंग्लिश में ही अच्छा किया नहीं, मैथमेटिक्स में भी बहुत अच्छा किया है, बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई की है. तो जब आंसर लिखा है तो कैसे बनेगा, सोनम हैज डन नॉट ओनली इन इंग्लिश बट आल्सो इन मैथमेटिक्स. तो ये नॉट ओनली कब यूज किया है, जो पहली डिफरेंट थिंग जो है उसके पहले, इन इंग्लिश ये पहली है और इन मैथमेटिक्स ये दूसरी है, तो दूसरी चीज के पहले बट आल्सो आएगा और पहली चीज के पहले नॉट ओनली आएगा. Combine the sentence by using not only but also. Such type of questions comes in exam to you, and how to solve these questions, you have to study this. Number first, there are problems with the children, there are problems with their parents. The answer is there are problems not only with the children but also with their parents. Second, she writes plays for television, she acts in movies. She not only writes plays for television but also acts in movie. He can make people laugh. He can make people cry. He can not only make people laugh but also make them cry. Number 4. I sent him many letters. I also tried to telephone him. Answer. I not only sent him many letters but also tried to telephone him. Number 5. She can dance, she can sing. Answer is there. She can not only dance but also sing. Number 6. She was upset, she was angry. She was not only upset but also angry. 7. They need food, they need medicine. They need not only food but also medicine. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, I request to you like my video, and if you like then subscribe my channel and share videos also. Thank you so much.